artists, it's really nice to see you again. Last week we learned about the primary, secondary and tertiary colours. We also learned a little tune to help us remember their names. Let's see if we can remember those words and actions together. Primary colour, secondary colour, tertiary colour, and we will be doing this in class, so if you can remember these before we get to class, that's going to help you a lot. Today we're going to practice mixing two primary colours together to create a secondary colour. We're then going to use that secondary colour with the primary colours we've just mixed from to create some tertiary colours.
Excuse me? Yeah, down here.
Oh, hello.
Mr. Feature, the colours in the children's art packs aren't plain yellow, red and blue. I thought we needed just the primary colours to mix our secondary and tertiary colours.
Yes, that's true. The colours you have in your art pack are not plain red, plain blue and plain yellow.
But they are still the primary colours. They're just a little lighter than you might expect.
Sometimes artists use different shades of colour to create the exact colour they want.
Oh, okay.
If I mix purple, which is the same as violet, from red and blue, I get this colour. If I mix purple from pink instead of red, and light blue instead of regular blue, which is darker, I get this colour. Can you see that one of these colours is a nicer purple than the other? I agree. The one made from mixing pink and light blue looks like a purple I would like to use. Let's try mixing red and yellow to make orange.
If I use regular, bright red and yellow,
then I need to use a lot of yellow and just a little bit of red to make orange. Otherwise, my orange looks too dark. Let's try mixing orange from pink and yellow. There we go. That's a much lighter orange. So the colour wheel works, but sometimes you need to use different shades of the primary colours to create the secondary colours that you want. Pink looks like a different colour to red, but it's actually just a lighter shade of red. To make pink, I've just added white paint to red to make it lighter. This makes it easier to mix a lighter shade of orange and purple. This is what artists do, and it's something you can practice every time you're painting. Today, we're going to choose two primary colours. You can complete this activity more than once with different colours if you'd like to, but for this lesson, I just need you to choose two. I'm going to use light blue and yellow. Remember, you don't need to use the same primary colours as me. You could use pink and yellow, or pink and light blue.
for this task you will need your sketchbook, water, a brush, 2 of your 3 primary colours, and your plate to mix on. Take the lids off your paint and turn to the next free page in your sketchbook. Start by taking a small amount of each of your primary colours, and remember to wash your paintbrush in between.
When you've mixed a colour you like, paint a dot in the middle of a page in your sketchbook. Then go back to your plate, add a little bit of one colour to make a new shade. Did you know that you've just made a tertiary colour? Now, paint a dot of this new colour in your sketchbook.
Repeat this process as many times as you like. Keep adding your primary colours to your new colours to make as many tertiary colours as you can. When you have no more space in your sketchbook to paint dots, fold your paint plate in half and throw it in the bin. Wash your brush, put the lids back on your paints, and make sure you leave your sketchbook out to dry.
Well done, artists. You've mixed a whole lot of tertiary colours today, and you've learned that you can use different shades of primary and secondary colours to create different shades of tertiary colours. If you find it a little bit tricky, don't worry, just do your best. Miss Kit and I look forward to seeing you in our next Zoom session to see how you got on. Bye-bye.